you my vibe tonight.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I'm just doing a soft glam. It is not my everyday makeup, but it is just something that I wanted to do. And yes, I know I got crunchy curls and a brisk in the back, don't mind that. But if you want to see how I achieved this look, please keep watching. So let me just say, I'm about to look like an orange, but that ain't the focus. So I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me 355. That is my shade. I know I do look like an orange, but I promise to God, once everything is blended out, I will look completely blended. But you know, just pushing it into my skin and getting it around that hairline. So now it is time to highlight. Yes, I use my hand as a canvas, but this is the LA Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, and you can buy this at your local beauty supply. But I'm just highlighting the main areas of my face, my eyes, my nose, my chin, and my forehead because it's big. And I ended up blending the rest of this off of camera actually. But yeah, the key is to blend, baby. So now I'm going in with my Airspun. This is in the shade Honey Beige, and this is just translucent powder. This is to set the concealer, and I love this stuff. I don't really like the flashback sometimes, but I love how it sets. So then I'm going in and brushing it off with just this random fluffy brush. I'm not the type of person to be like, oh, I have a Morphe 1876 brush. No. I feel like I'm doing this so backwards, but this is what I use to prime my lids because I'm not really an eyeshadow person. But when I do it, this helps my eyeshadow stay in place. But as you can see, I'm just blending it out, and my lips is dry, y'all. What the fuck? So right here, y'all, I'm taking that Carli Bybel palette, and I'm using that dark, sort of dark brown shade, and I'm just going around the outer part of my lid. I think that's what it's called. Look, I'm not a like eyeshadow person, so don't judge me if you're like a MUA and this isn't the right way, cause I mean I looked good, so that's the purpose. But yeah, I'm just packing that on the outer lids, and then I'm taking this cute like shiny like rose shade. It was like so cute. I'm like, okay, this is where I got the soft glam, you know, inspired look from. But I'm just patting that in on the inner crease. I think it's crease, I don't know, it's not really a cut crease though, it's just it's like a shimmery rose pink color. It's so pretty. But yes, so if you guys noticed the junk in the background, yeah, I had to eat because this video actually took longer than it looks. This is kind of like my first makeup video really, so I wanted to make sure I did everything right. But yeah, you guys, I'm taking some hair glue. That is what I use to put my lashes on, and I'm just applying my lashes. Everything will be in the description box so you guys know what I'm using. But there is an eyelash and contacts video on my channel, so check that out. So now I am contouring my nose. This is actually my favorite thing to do because I be feeling like I'm giving myself a nose job. Like, people might complain about the way my nose looks, but you know what, I actually like it, and I get a lot of compliments regardless of how negative Nancy's feel. So yeah, but basically I blend this out. So here I just had got hungry, and I honestly didn't know that it was still recording, but I was just looking at myself and, you know, eating my crunchy curls. They so good. So now highlighting. I love highlighting so much. I'm taking this Carli Bybel palette once again. This is the highlighter I've been using since like the summer when I discovered it, but I love it. Like, seriously, sometimes people will be like, too much highlighter. I don't believe in that because you can be as glowy as you want to. I love looking like a glowing bronze beautiful goddess, and I feel like people just think they're experts sometimes and they try to judge other people how they do their makeup. Like, girl, let me do my makeup how I want to, okay? So now we are hopping into my lip combo I'm using for this. I just want to note, this is not my everyday makeup tutorial. I use a couple different products actually for that, but this is the kind of the same lip combo that I do. It's just I added some different lip gloss. But yes, everybody has been asking about how I do my lips, and I'm like, okay, I'm glad that I'm doing this video because they can be answered. So basically it's all about lining your lips with just regular brown liner, and then you can take a clear lip gloss, and usually that's just what I use regularly, but here I am actually using this NYX. It's some of the lip butter, and I will put it in the description which like shade it is. I honestly forgot, but it is like a light pink, and it's like really shiny, so I wanted to do that part of the soft glam look. But yeah, so I'm applying that, and then I will be applying some lip gloss that I got from my local beauty supply. So like I said, I'm using different products. I usually use just a clear lip gloss, but this one actually, it has like sparkles in it, which I thought was really cute. You can see them when you take a picture with flash, but it is, I believe, Ruby Kisses from my local beauty supply. I will link this below as well. So yay, we're like finally done, but I'm taking this setting spray by NYX and I'm just setting my face. It's always like a cold rush using this stuff, but I love how my makeup stays in place. So finally into the hair details. So this hair is from a company called Virgo Hair Company. I will leave all the info to the unit that I have on today. It is their water wave. It is a 22, 24, 24, 26, 26. I might have added an extra bundle in there, I'm not sure, but I'm just going in and wetting that. I love this hair, you guys. I am going to also be doing a additional review on it, but look at that curl pattern. Like, it gave me so much life, like, and it's even prettier when it's dry, like, yes. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and if you want to see more makeup videos, please give this a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.